Hello and welcome to How to Draw Stuff. Today we show you how to draw the ruler of Unikingdom, the heroic Unikitty. To start drawing Unikitty, we need to draw a large rectangle for her head and ears. The ears are two triangles which appear at each side of the rectangle. We're going to give some dimension to Unikitty by drawing perspective lines like this. We will give the lines we have drawn a slight curve as her face is not completely square. Finish the dimension of the ears before adding the unicorn horn. The horn has a semicircle base and a cone shape. The eyes are nice and big in the center of her face. She also has a two-tone face with darker pink above and lighter pink below, so we draw a line to distinguish between them. She has a little ellipsis-shaped nose, and her smile is to the side here, although you can draw it in the center if you wish, or even give her a different expression. She has one little tooth. The eyes have an eyelash coming out at the side in the shape of a little horn. The pupils of her eyes have smaller oval shapes with a ring around the outside for the irises. Two circles indicate the blush of her cheeks, and we finish with two shapes for the floating eyebrows. The rest of her body is very simple. It's a cuboid which is longer at the bottom than at the sides. The body is connected to the head with a little rectangle shape. Unikitty's body is basically an arch shape connecting her front and back legs with a line to mark her hooves. We can use more lines to give dimension to the body shape. Her tail is a big, bushy, horse-like tail which bends down in a curve. And now we go over our pencil guidelines in black pen. Make sure to keep the curved lines of the face and not make them too straight. Here we draw the lines to mark her hooves. We also use the black pen to colour in the eyelashes, eyebrows and pupils. For the pupils, leave white circles to give her a cute and wide-eyed look. Here is the line to mark the different colour tones of her face. Once we finish the ears, we draw the lines on her horn and finish the eyebrows. And here is our finished Unikitty drawing. If you want to see more of your favourite cartoon characters, check out our channel and leave us a comment with any we have missed. We'll see you next time.